What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learning. In today's episode, I will teach you how to fix Messenger notification sound. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. First, you need to make sure that your Messenger app is updated. Second thing you can do is to open your app, go to the settings on the top left, and click this gear icon right here. And on settings, just scroll down and click notifications and sound. After you did that, make sure that you have the same settings like mine on the screen. And you can also customize your chats and make sure that you still have the same settings like mine. So that's it. That's how we're going to do it. And also, what you can do is go to your settings and go to app management. Click app management, go to app list and search for Messenger. After you search for Messenger, just go to manage notification and still make sure that you have the same settings like what you can see on my screen. Just make it just turn off and turn on all the option that needs to be turned on and turned off, and these settings will help you to fix your notification sounds. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.